Everyone, Sarah here. I'm here to set up my Hobonichi cousin, my functional setup for March. So before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000. Oh my gosh. So exciting. And thank you all for everything. I'm having so much fun. So if you don't know me or if you're new to my channel, my name is Sarah and I am a project manager, and I basically incorporate all the things I do in project management into my functional planning. So I'm here to set up my March spread, and this month my theme for my continuous improvement project, so let me catch you up here. So I do a continuous improvement project every year where I work towards making progress towards my word of the year, which is growth. And I break it down into different themes every month. And this theme is health. So I'm focusing on all things health. Well, not all things. Like, I've identified some things that I want to focus on. And we do that over on my Patreon, where we set goals and help support each other. And there's a few different tiers and you get discounts to my shop and all that fun stuff. So check out the link in the description. So here we go. This kit is in my shop. It's Magnolia. And I'm really focusing on, for my continuous improvement project for this month, health. And I am working on building like meal planning systems. So I'm not just talking meal plan here, like a whole system. So routines, behaviors, systems, that's like my jam. And I'm working on creating that meal planning system. So what are the things I like? What are the things I eat? What are the recipes? What is the rotation? What's the grocery list? What's the meal prep look like? So all those fun things. That is my focus for the month of March. And so this month I am focusing on that for continuous improvement. And then my PlanTheGrind. I have some new releases coming out. So a lot of new post-its coming to my shop, a lot of new colors. And then work, building out some project plans, customer experience training, all those fun things that go along with work. So I put my content schedule in there. So I do have a separate planner, which is a Hobonichi weeks, and I put my build out a content plan, and I took that content plan from there and stuck it into this. So this is my main planning system. So I'm putting that in there. So Mondays and Fridays I do videos. My plan with me's go up on Friday, and something work related goes up on Monday. So like I might do some work bullet journaling videos on Monday, or productivity, those kind of videos. And then also I put in my release schedule. So I have a lot of new products coming out, and I'm going to release those on Sunday. So yeah, so that's that. And then I'm using the little green boxes. So you see them on the Monday. Those are actually for my work cadence. So it's the end of the quarter. And then every month, like, we have a cadence to our work. So we have different routines each week. And I did a video on the routines that we have and how I came up with them. So I'll leave a card. And so that little block is a routine number. So it's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. And actually I repeat week 4 when it's a 5-week month, because it's the end of the quarter. So those are some of the things that we build out with work, and some KPIs that really kind of drive the team. Then for PlanTheGrind, just again, my YouTube videos, I use my sidebar really just to like keep what I need to accomplish like right in front of me for the week, for the month. And then for the week, I do like a smaller task that aligns with all of those bigger goals for the month. So those are my goals for the month, and that's what I use the sidebar for. What else can I tell you about my lovely little spread here? It is, I really keep it simple, because I really just use this for deadlines basically. So I'm putting in my weekend schedule. So I go up north every other weekend, and then I stay home every other weekend. And the home weekends are really like my power weekends, where I get a lot done. So I might do a lot of batch filming, a lot of product, a lot of cutting, a lot of printing and cutting. So I do all those things. And then this month is a special month because it is my kids' birthdays this month. So I'm excited. So we have to figure out something to do because last year they didn't get birthdays because everyone was in lockdown. Well, they got birthdays, but you know what I'm saying. We didn't do anything. So I was hoping we would do something this year. So I'm just waiting for them to kind of tell me what they want, and I have to figure out what to get them. So that's kind of the family goals for the month. And this is my Health is Wholeness. So this is a tip-in or vellum dashboard, in my shop. And I'm using this. I used it last year, but I still just really liked it, so I wanted to use it again. Health is Wholeness. I love these vellum dashboards. It's just a little inspo for the month for me to keep me on track. And then I put out my habit tracker. And my habit tracker is the tool that I use to, track my behaviors. So I'm staying on task for my systems. So you kind of see how it all comes together. So the things that I'm tracking this month are some of the goals from last month. So last month my theme was money. And I created a budget and like a budget system. And I put like a lot on autopilot. And I created a system where I just like check in with it. So I'm tracking staying on budget. I'm tracking my Noom. I'm tracking my water, my skincare. So pretty standard stuff. But those are the things that I want to track like all year to reach my end word of the year, which is growth. And one of the things for health, for growth, is I really just want to have a nice like whole foods type diet for the most part that supports good gut health because I'm having some gut situations happening, and also 15 minutes of activity. So I just want to have an active lifestyle. It's kind of tough right now. I'm in New England and it's winter, so I definitely am not doing a lot. So I built out a list of 15-minute activities. So I'm really just tracking doing 15 minutes. Like I'm just focusing on keeping the habit rather than focusing on the activity. So that's my goal for the month of March for health. And here I'm just putting in my tip-ins. So these are other tip-ins I have in my shop. And again, it's really all about like creating inspiration to keep me on track. Think of it like all those inspirational posters when you walk into a company and they have it. Well, I'm incorporating it into my planner. So anyhow, so this one says like create healthy habits or something. What does it say? Oh, create healthy habits, not restrictions. So that's so true. So here's really my planner, my March setup. So this is that monthly page, the March like title page. And so there's the flip through. So thanks for watching, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this. And I will see you all soon. Take care. Bye.